Hi friends, in this video I would be showing this Ugaoo Cow Manure. It's a 5 kg packet and here you can see 5 kg label. It's also available in 1 kg, 2 kg and 10 kg packets. You can purchase it from Flipkart or Amazon. Let me open the packet and check the quality of this product. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.